Introduction to Jasper AI for blogging.
Jasper AI is a powerful tool designed to help you create high-quality blog posts in just minutes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced writer, Jasper AI streamlines the content creation process. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Jasper AI's features to generate a complete blog post quickly and efficiently, with no prior experience required.
Setting up your Jasper AI account.
Begin by visiting the Jasper AI website and creating an account. You may need to choose a plan based on your needs. After signing up, log in to access the Jasper dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, where you'll find templates, document tools, and other features to support your blogging journey.
Choosing a blog post template.
Jasper AI offers several templates for different types of blog posts, such as listicles, how-to guides, and product reviews. Select the template that best suits your topic. Templates are designed to guide Jasper in structuring your content effectively, ensuring readability and SEO friendliness.
Inputting your topic and details.
Enter your blog post topic, target keywords, and any relevant details into the template. Provide a brief description or outline to help Jasper understand the direction you want for your post. The more context you give, the more accurately Jasper can generate content tailored to your needs.
Generating and editing the blog post.
Click the Generate button to let Jasper create your draft. Within seconds, you'll see a complete blog post based on your input. Review the content, make any necessary edits, and adjust the tone or style as desired. You can use Jasper's built-in editing tools to refine your post and ensure it's ready for publishing.
Finalizing and exporting your blog post.
After editing, check your blog post for clarity, accuracy, and grammar. Once satisfied, you can export or copy the content for your blog platform. Jasper AI makes it easy to generate, customize, and publish high-quality blog posts in a fraction of the time traditional writing takes.